about to shoot my two Kembers. Damn, they look so pretty. We got Kember Micro 9, and we're gonna be shooting some Feral HSTs. I want to try to capture them in some ice, and my Kember Shadow Ghost 45, and also Feral HSTs. Alright, we're gonna start with the 9mm. That's not a good sign. Got some shit. Let's see what happens. Knocked all them down. Shoot it again. Jam. Thing's snappy. Okay, now we're gonna do my Kember Shadow Ghost 45 ACP. Nice. Got one more. Let's just do that Pringles. Nice. Eight rounds. Damn, she is pretty. And now we're just gonna plink around. We got some frozen eggs and shit down here. Some other frozen ice chunks. Let's just play and see how it goes. See, that's why ice is just the best. Alright, I got a couple more mags. The hell is that? Well, that was cool. Been out here with a pellet gun and ain't got no squirrel. Come out here now and just pop this motherfucker from up there. He's just sitting there, and I know with the 22 and these sights, I know I could get him, and I fucking did. About to make some damn squirrel jerky. So I just got that squirrel. Let's finish these 22s. Alright, that's it.